Hey guys, it's a dividend guy coming at you with another dividend investing video. So I had to cover this because it's Apple news related. So Apple surges to a $2 trillion market value. Apple Inc. on Wednesday, so today, became the first U.S. public company to eclipse $2 trillion in market value, a dizzying achievement that highlights the iPhone maker's commanding role in the world economy. Shares of Apple rose as much as 1.2% to $467.97, eclipsing the 467.77 mark needed to reach the milestone. The stock has more than doubled from the March 23rd low, boosted by steady demand for the company's devices and better than feared results in its core iPhone business as millions of Americans work from home. Consumers' increasing reliance on the technology is driving growth for Apple and other large internet companies such as Amazon. That has created a chasm between the technology industry and other sectors, from energy to travel, that have seen the coronavirus sap demand and fuel a wave of bankruptcies. The technology sector is one of the few industries expected to continue expanding in the years ahead, pushing investors large and small to pour money into the group. The milestone is the latest for Apple under Chief Executive Tim Cook, who succeeded late co-founder and product inventor Steve Jobs in 2011. Mr. Cook has expanded the company's footprint in China and leaned on its services business, encompassing everything from the App Store to Apple Music, to generate steady growth and dispel concerns that Apple is too reliant on the iPhone. Apple crossed the $1 trillion market value for the first time in August of 2018. Steady sales growth is driving the string of achievements. Apple sales rose 260 billion in the fiscal year ended September from 216 billion 3 years prior. The company has even grown sales during the pandemic. For the quarter ended in June, it rose 11% from the year earlier to nearly 60 billion, exceeding Wall Street's expectations. Earnings surged to 11.5 billion. It's incredible that the company that is this big can still grow this fast. I would never underestimate their ability to innovate. Analysts say Apple has joined could be joined in the $2 trillion club by other tech behemoths soon. Growth in e-commerce and cloud computing has given Amazon and Microsoft Corp market values about 1.6. Google parent Alphabet Inc. is valued at roughly 1 trillion, and Facebook Inc.'s market capitalization is up to about 760 billion. So those are the runners up that are close. It was actually a battle between Amazon and Apple for a while, and it seems like Apple just shot up. The five biggest U.S. companies make up about 25% of the S&P at the end of July, up from 12% 4 years earlier. So if you're buying the S&P 500, a fourth of your money is in the five biggest companies that make up that index. And I do believe those are Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google and Facebook. So those are your five biggest holdings. The tech's dominance is also coming under increasingly regulatory scrutiny, a trend that investors worry could halt the industry's boom but has yet to stall the momentum. Lawmakers questioned Tim Cook and the chief executives of Amazon, Facebook, Alphabet about their business practices and dominant industry positions. A day later, Apple, Amazon, Facebook posted booming quarterly results, and Apple also exceeded Wall Street's expectations. We know that these products are incredibly relevant, especially given the current circumstances. So I don't want to read the entire article because that's really long. But the thing is, Apple beat earnings estimates during a pandemic. They're selling they're selling more than expected, and they still have really good growth even though they're a big company. So congratulations to Apple, Tim Cook, Warren Buffett, and Apple shareholders, because we just hit a $2 trillion market cap. We beat Amazon to we beat Amazon to the punch. So that's kind of crazy because I really did think Amazon was going to be the first $2 trillion company, but Apple won. So, guys, if you're an Apple shareholder, let me know why. I'm bullish on Apple. I'm a huge fan. I will buy it after the stock split. That's my plan anyway. How big do you think Apple's going to get? 3 trillion, 4 trillion? If you have an idea, let me know down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next dividend investing video. Take care. Remember to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, That Dividend Guy, and when you do, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates. I love doing daily portfolio updates. I do news-related stocks that I love, like Apple, Facebook, Berkshire, Google, Tesla, any news article that I like, I cover. So I have a lot of content. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next dividend investing video. Take care, guys.